what is going on, guys? It is SnakeBytes Plays here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock dark matter completely free. You don't even have to do hardly anything in order to get this. You don't have to do all of those annoying challenges or whatever. This is just some gameplay right here of me unlocking the spikes on the dark matter from getting the 5 kill streak. As you can see right here, we did unlock dark matter with the spikes on it. Alright, now that we are back in the home screen, we are going to hit multiplayer to take us to the multiplayer menu. Now hit create a class, and from here you can see that I do indeed have dark matter, diamond, and all this other stuff. And now if I go right here, the Rampart 17, for example, I don't even have but 28 headshots on this thing. I have not done all the quests and challenges for this unlock right here. So how this basically works is you on console you would select the camo that you wanted, for example, just by going over it or whatever. And so you can mess around with this, but experiment with what button will take you over to the other menu. So right here it's E, and on PC. So experiment with that, see which button that is, and you'll want to press that button first on console. I don't have a controller, so I can't really test this out. Just experiment with that button, and then another button right after. You don't have very many buttons on console, so this shouldn't be that hard to figure out if you want to attempt to do this glitch on console. Now, I don't know if this is PC only, or if it will work on console, but as far as I know, this glitch is only on PC. So, what we're going to do, we're going to hover over dark matter or diamond or whatever, but for this example right here, I'm going to use dark matter. You're going to hit E and then spacebar, and it will pop up with this, and then you'll just hit escape, and you will have dark matter. So, same with the ICR right here. I don't have gold yet, so I will use that as an example. Hit E and then spacebar. I think I actually messed it up right there. Yeah, I did, because I hit another key on my keyboard. I hit E and then spacebar quickly. You'll have gold. It's that simple. So another point I wanted to make. This does not work on the combat knife. Mainly because of the fact that you cannot switch to the other zombies menu. And also, I don't know if you have to have a... We're about to test this out right here, this theory. So, I have the GKS right here. I don't even think I have a multiplayer camo unlocked. I do not. So we're going to see if we can unlock the dark matter or diamond. We're just gonna go with diamond on this because I don't have any unlocks or anything, and diamond looks way better than dark matter in my opinion, but it does indeed work. So only guns that you are not able to do this glitch with is, I'm pretty sure, the combat axe or combat knife. My bad, because it does not have the zombies menu for the skins. So any gun that does not have the zombies menu, you will not be able to do this glitch with. This is a fairly simple glitch to perform. Does not take much effort at all. It's very minimal. Now, I do not know if you can get banned for this glitch, because, I mean, it's technically cheating in items into the game, but this is very cool, and hopefully you will not get banned. I don't want to be responsible for any bans or anything that might occur during this time frame, but again, you hit E and then spacebar consecutively on PC, and you have the skin. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.